in the national capital today. Shifting our focus to other developments, especially from the national capital, where it continues to choke and get suffocated by the air apocalypse. The severe air pollution level in the national capital has triggered the implementation of the stage 4 of the GRAP. The anti-pollution measures in the Delhi NCR are enforced from this morning. The air quality in Delhi worsened further, recording an air quality index of 481. Meanwhile, to ensure its effective implementation, Environment Minister Gopal Rai is all set to hold a crucial meeting with all the concerned departments and the HODs at the Delhi Secretariat today. All right, viewers, joining me live for more is my colleague Arzu. Arzu, now all eyes are also going to be on this crucial meeting to mitigate the growing pollution levels in the national capital, but at the same time to find ways on which the Delhi government can counter the allegations of the mishandling of the Delhi pollution woes. As the AQI in fact worsens further, what is that the Delhi government is right now eyeing to find the resolution from?
Well, Simran, if we talk about the AQI continues to be in the severe category, and yesterday also it has been decided that the schools will be shifted to the online, online, so that the students that are coming out should not be affected from the pollution, because right now there has been Delhi has been choked due to the smoke that are prevailing right now in the national capital. And in a view of that, now the Delhi government is also going to hold a meeting today at 12 p.m. Led by the Environment Minister Gopal Rai, along with the other concerned department. The officials will also be present there, and this meeting will be regarding the GRAP stage 4 that has been implemented in the national capital, and how they can execute it strictly so that the people can also follow it. And also we have seen earlier when the GRAP stage 3 or 2 have been implemented, there has been a violation of that, and even after there has been a fine, and after that also there has been a violation. So this time this remains to be seen what new the Delhi government is going to bring to implement the GRAP stage 4. As far as the GRAP 4 is concerned, there has been a lot of restriction. If we talk about leisure vehicles will not be allowed in the national capital. Schools have been shifted to the online platform. Also, the offices are advised to work with the 50% of attendance, and other to work from home. So these are the restrictions that will be prevailing under the GRAP stage 4. But we request request the people to avoid the outdoor activities if it is not important, because outside it is a very toxic air we are breathing right now in the national capital. Yes, Simran.
All right, Arzu, thank you for sharing the latest and in fact what you're bringing to us. Let's also shift our focus to developments that we're tracking from the Middle East, where an Israeli airstrike